Hello, traders, and welcome to TradingWithBill.com. I'm Bill. Good to be with you. Coming to you from Pattaya, Thailand. Cloudy sky, stormy nights last night, thunder, lightning, a little crazy, I have to be honest with you. So, up early this morning, I got to tell you this really crazy thing today. I go to record this, and I use a program called ScreenFlow, and I fire up ScreenFlow, and nothing works. The camera doesn't work. Nothing works. It's all inside. It's a program used by Apple. I wish they put it on Windows because it's an excellent recording program. Easy to use, easy to edit, really nice. Even though I don't do no editing, trust me. What you get. So anyhow, it's taken me an hour to get this thing back working. I did a cleaning of my system, and I guess it wiped out all the settings. So I finally got it working. We're back up and going. So let's get started. It is currently 9:04 a.m. and that would be 22:04 on Wall Street. So let's get to it. Let's see what's going on today on the other screen here. We do have some things coming out today. We have New Zealand electronic card retail sales came out bad, 0.0 versus 0.8. Let's see, what else do we got? We got the Aussie home loans came out bad, 1.0 versus 1.5. And NAB Business Conference came out at 9, no expectations on that one. And then when we get down into the Eurozone, we got ECB's Karui speaks today. I know I screwed that name up. And, a bunch of speakers. And that's it. Oh, what do we got? The jobless... What's going on here? Oh, the JOLTS jobs opening in the U.S. today. That's it. So pretty much a technical day today. Let's take a look at what happened in our indices. S&P futures up 0.03%. NASDAQ futures up 0.12%. Dow 30 up negative 0.03%. DAX up 0.46%. Nikkei 225 up 0.11%. U.S. dollar up 0.05, still below that 96 level, currently at 95.86. Not much there. Your index is down 0.03% at 91.92. So that's what's happening. Let's take a look at our commodities. Let's see what oil's doing. WTI is 44.66, up 0.26%, and Brent oil is up to 47.16, and that's up 0.26% also. U.S. coffee is down 0.03%, and gold is down 1.88% today. So that's what's happening. That is what has happened. Gold's at 1.21112. So, it's come down. So let's get to the charts. I'm really late today, and the problem with being late in Thailand is if you don't get this done by like 10 o'clock in the morning, like uploaded, it takes hours. Of course, everything opens at 10:30 in Thailand. Everything stays open later at night. 7, 8 o'clock, you can go to the pharmacy, you can go anywhere, right? But everything opens later. Everything's later. And so I really try to get this up by 9 o'clock, and I'm not going to happen. So we'll see what happens. Let's take a look at what's going on. We looked at the euro yesterday on a Monday, as we always do. And, this is summertime. But that doesn't mean we don't trade. We have to stay in the market, right? And, can't pay the bills, without trading. But how do you trade this, right? This was an entry here, folks, yesterday, and I missed it. You just can't look at everything all day long. And I missed this. I absolutely missed it. And it came down. It would have given you 30, 28 pips, depending on where you got in. But you remember I talked about that this 200 exponential moving average, which is this green line, was going to be an issue. And it was. It bounced off it several times, and now it's just sideways, not doing a thing here. I'm not saying this is bullish. No, I'm not saying that at all. This is still bearish in my mind. We need a break of this 1375, which was our second entry, and we have a nice wide open space here. We can take it to the downside. So this trade is still in play, and we're still gonna watch it, and we'll see if we can get below this 200 exponential moving average, and we'll take it down and see how it works. All right, let's take a look at New Zealand. Nothing going on with New Zealand. Dollar came down a little bit, and it's done nothing. It's been sideways. Look at these candles. Really bad stuff there. All right, today I'm looking at the dollar yen, and it's in this range here. And I'm going to be honest with you, I'm bullish on the dollar. I am bullish on the dollar, but this was a pretty good move to the upside. Now it's sideways. I'm thinking maybe this is going to take a retrace down here, and we can sell this at 113.95. I want to make sure it closes below that 114 level, and if it gets below the 114 level, we can sell it. We got to watch for this 200 exponential moving average. That's looks like it's going to be a minor issue. There's nothing left of the chart. Again, we get lucky, and we have a wide open space, right? Wide open space here. And this is what we want to trade, folks. This is what you want to trade, right? Nothing left of the chart here to get in your way. You can just take this to the downside. Now, I don't want dollar weakness. I want to pull back and then continue for dollar strength. And that's my thought process. So we'll see if we can get this to kick in and give us a 10, 20, 30 pips and get out. The market is a scalp market. I'm not saying a 5-minute scalp. I'm talking, an hour, 2 hours. You're going to get in this and get out of it, right? And once you get to an area of support or resistance that's going to cause you a problem, just get out. Take your pips and get out. You can always re-enter. It's low volatility, unfortunately. All right, let's see what we got here. The pound. Pound is, from yesterday is just sideways again. Nothing going on here. This took a pretty good fall on data. So, the typical trade would be we want this 200 exponential moving average. This blue line here, it's a resistance line, and let's just take this to the downside. I'm not too keen on taking it here though, right? Even though there's nothing left of the chart that I can see on this 30. Sorry about that. On this 30-minute chart. So we want to sell this. We want to absolutely sell the pound. What else? That's about it, my friends. Really not a lot going on. I guess the Aussie data came out earlier today. And so we're just, we're here. There's nothing here. It's really hard. You don't want to sell this here, right? You're going to sell into a 200, support, all that good stuff. The EMAs all together. It's like a bowl of spaghetti again. There's no trade here, folks. You can't trade this. Just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Let it break out one way or another, and then we'll think about a trade plan. Traders, that's it for me today. Light day today. I will be at the trading desk all day today till late tonight. Looking forward to trading New York as I trade options in New York, and I'm looking forward to getting into the New York session. Got a couple of positions on. Buying some puts, and we're in the triple Qs and the SPY, which is the spiders. And so we're in some bearish moves in options. All right. Have a great trading day, my friends. Keep the emails coming. Keep the messages coming. Keep all that stuff coming. And it's great that you're with me. And you can always go to my website, tradingwithbill.com, and see all the videos, present and past. And remember to trade smart and not hard. And we'll catch you tomorrow. Take care now. Bye-bye.